Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can cancel order on StockX. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your laptop or PC and search for stockx.com. After that, log in using your account and you will be on the homepage of the website where all of the products will be listed. After that, hover your cursor over your account name and select Buying from the drop-down menu. You can see that currently there are no orders available on my account, but in your case, they will be present here. So choose the order you would like to cancel and click on Cancel button right beside it. And that's how you can cancel order on StockX. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.